I've been invited to an African party. Bring your African print outfit game. I'm like, yeah, I'm coming. Do you want me to come in a dress, African print skirt, or African print top? Hello, it's your girl Caroline for Calicious Loves. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're coming back as a subscriber, thank you. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy my content and want to see more. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to fashionably style and wear your African print, also known as Chitenge in Malawi. In my last video, I'll put suggested above, I talked about what a chitenge is normally used for in Africa. So just gonna show you how to get creative with this material. Let's say your friend says, Caroline, I've been invited to an African party. Bring your African print outfit game. I'm like, yeah, I'm coming. Do you want me to come in a dress, African print skirt, or African print top? People will be like, oh my god, I love your top. Oh, I love your dress. Be like, shh. So the first outfit, you're going to need a belt and the wrapper. So the first thing is, so as you can see, this is a 2 meter. So 2 meters is like the length of your arm twice. But my arm is really short, so maybe that's why it feels so long. Okay. So what you're going to do is, you're going to fold this cloth almost quarter in, not halfway, but almost quarter. I'm not the best person at folding clothes. I absolutely don't like it. Okay, so we folded it there. Sometimes this can be a 2-man job. If you're struggling, always feel free to ask your sister or your mom. So, okay. Just make sure that when you put it around your neck, it's coming down equally. Okay, that's something close. So once you tie your belt, this is when the skill comes in. Making sure that everything is okay. So you see that it has a collar here that you have to fold. If you're not into like cleavage and stuff, you could always bring the cloth closer together. But if you want to show some then also that's up to you, because this can come all the way down. Then make sure the cloth is the same all around by pulling it. You either pull it back or pull it to the front. That's up to you on how you want your top to look. Just to let you know that this top is restrictive. Yeah. And here we are. The second one, we're going to be doing a skirt, and you will need like 3 items. Like the style that I'm doing, I'm gonna use 3 items. The 7 belt, something that you can tie around your waist, so long enough to do your waist, and the wrapper, of course. What you want to do is bring the skirt. For me, I want it all the way to my just below my boobs. That's like the kind of high waist that I want. So I'm going to use this rope to secure You can use any that you can find in your closet. So I'm just gonna tuck this in first so that I can tie the rope around my waist. Make sure it's tight, like you don't want this coming off. Make sure it also secures the dress, that the part of the material that's going to make the asymmetric look. Of course, you can tell that this is a wrapper, but I think it's good for a skirt. Okay. Yeah, okay. So the third one is going to be a dress. So a half dress, and you will need the cloth obviously. I'm gonna use a belt because just put everything into perspective and into shape. I'm using a belt, and I've got an elastic band that I will use to secure the wrapper around my arms. So I've got my elastic band. This was a ribbon that's just got bigger. If it was a proper African print outfit, you know, you took it to the tailor, it would be cinched here, cinched everywhere, and the struggle of getting into it would have been real as well. So this is how I styled it. As you can see in the picture, we're rocking it, we're popping it. I'm going to a party, girls. Unless you're standing very close to me or you're hating, you'll be like, ah, girl, I know you're wearing a wrapper. Otherwise, just say I look nice and observe. Yes, thank you for the compliments. Shh, it's just a wrapper. Okay, I guess the simplest and the most common one is the bareback dress that you put around your neck. And it's kind of like my least favorite, but I'm just showing to you just in case it's something that you might like or is easier for you to put together. The reason why I don't like this is because when I tie it around my neck, it kind of hurts. So for this purpose, I'm just demonstrating that you tie a knot at the back. But if you have the same issue with your neck hurting, I'll probably just find a safety pin so it doesn't feel like there's a knot. There's a lot of room in here. So what I'll do is, if you're wearing like a bra, I'll just tuck it in tag it in the half bra. So if you're wearing a half bra, I'll tag it in the half bra. So like I'm wearing this top underneath the one piece. So I'm just tagging it in there. So you can have it tied in the front, which is what most people do when they go to the beach. I would prefer tying it to the back. Make sure it's not too tight and you're still able to breathe, okay? It's important that you're still able to breathe. Alright guys, that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know which one was your favorite style. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can get more content from me, and see you next time on my African series. We're still in the month of May, so keep an eye out on my next video where I'll be talking about all things African. Okay, bye!